Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As always, I got you guys with the small business shipping hacks and tips. In today's video, I have a new shipping solution for you guys that is going to be great for those who want to have multiple shipping options and companies instead of just going for the one company. In my past shipping videos, I have opted for just Royal Mail as the service. So there may be some people watching that don't want to go with Royal Mail, and this video is going to show you guys how you can actually use multiple different carriers instead of just the one. So stay tuned to the end of this video if you want to learn the new information I have for you guys. And if you are a growing business who wants to manage many orders, I know in the past I've shown you guys different options for those who have much smaller businesses, but if you are trying to manage a lot of orders, this is another great hack for you guys and another easy way for you to actually manage returns, which I haven't really covered on my channel, so this is going to be a great video. Today I'm going to be using Sendcloud. This is going to be a great way for you to integrate with your e-commerce platform, and let's just get straight into my screen so I can show you guys how it all works. So Sendcloud have kindly gifted my subscribers, you guys watching, £50 in free shipping credit along with a 14-day free trial of the app. So you can definitely go ahead and try it for yourself after this video if you like it. I will leave the link for that down below in the description box. So we are currently in the plan section of Sendcloud, and they actually do have a free plan if you are interested in the free plan, a small shop, large shop and business. So it all depends on the size of your business and how many orders you are sending out each month. They also integrate with Shopify. As you know, I use Shopify, so you can simply just add the app to your Shopify store and it will show up in your integrations, which is what I really wanted to share with you guys because they have a bunch of great integrations. So if you are a brand watching this and you sell on Amazon, you sell on Shopify, you sell on eBay, you sell on Etsy, you can connect every single one of those sites to Sendcloud, and all of your orders from every single sales platform will come into the one dashboard. So that is amazing for you to actually be able to print off all your labels from every single channel in one place. The next thing you want to do is add your brand to Sendcloud so that you can actually have branded tracking pages, tracking messages to send to your customers and so on. So I've already gone ahead and created my brand Oso Curly. So I'm just going to show you inside that. You simply just add in your website, your logo. You can change the colors to match your brand. So I kind of just did the pink look. Also, you are able to add your website. So here I would put links to my FAQ page and my contact page, but just for the sake of this video, I've just put the same website link. Also, you can put your website address, your business address, your customer care email, and your actual socials. If you want to have a link to your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter, on any kind of material that gets sent out to your customers when they have ordered and when their order is shipped, you can go ahead and add that in. Now, what I like about Sendcloud is the fact that you have amazing carriers. I've never used something that actually can integrate every single carrier in one place. So that I really loved about Sendcloud. Here you can see we've got from the country, obviously it's going to be the United Kingdom, but I can actually enable UPS, DHL, Evri, FedEx, Royal Mail, DPD, DPD Local, InPost. And if you have specific contracts with, say, Royal Mail, you can add to that and connect it, which is so good as well because you're not going to have to be inconvenienced by the fact that you had your own prices with that company and you want to just bring that over into Sendcloud. You next want to connect and enable all of the different carriers. Shipping rules, if you're not aware, is basically a way for everything to be automated. If I was to get an international order, I can create a rule for that. So if I name it international, the condition for that would be if the order is going to a country that is not the United Kingdom, so that's anywhere outside of the UK, then they need to ship with a certain company or a certain service. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to say UPS. So I can now save that shipping rule so that any international orders that come through, it is automatically going to set it to the UPS carrier. which is really cool. If you ever want to find out also how much the different carriers charge, you can go ahead and use their handy price calculator. If we were to send to the UK, I can have a little nosy, have a look at how much my normal parcels weigh. So we've got prices for Evri, DPD, InPost as well here. So you get a bit of an idea of how much you can charge your customers. Another thing I love about Sendcloud is the returns. Like I mentioned earlier, I've never been able to kind of have a portal for my customers to go ahead and go into to sort out their own returns. We've always had to do it via email. Whereas in Sendcloud, you can have your own return portal, which is easy to set up. You can put in the maximum return period. So if it's 14 days, 30 days, 7 days, the fee if you want to charge them for returns. You can also change the reasons. If you want to say, I don't want to allow them to return just because it doesn't suit them. So you can untick this and you can just tick what you allow for a return. You can also offer exchanges, money back, store credit. So it's really, really, customizable. I love that about Sendcloud. And you can actually preview that also. So I can have a look at what the Oso Curly returns portal would look like. And this is what my customer would see. So they'd be able to put their postcode in and their order number, and they would simply start their return. If you've ever shopped on a fashion website, you've probably come across this kind of returns portal before. Now, another exciting part of Sendcloud is how customizable and fun their tracking messages are. If you use Shopify, any other platforms, you know that the messages can be quite simple, whereas within Sendcloud, you can send really customizable and fun emails. You can change up the colors and really preview what it would look like. So here we can see they get actually an estimated delivery time, and you can have it appear in different languages for different countries, which is really handy because someone may order from, say, Spain, but not speak English. So at least when they get their tracking email, it's going to come in their language. So you can preview what all of the different ones actually look like. And you can go ahead and check out the tracking page, which is one of my favorite parts of Sendcloud. I love that this can be branded. You can change this to match your branding. So we've got pink, obviously, because I chose pink as our brand color. And as you can see on this page, they get to see exactly where their order is, whether it's still in the warehouse, depot, if it's in its van, and if it is delivered with the little tick. It gives them the time, the tracking, further information, the delivery address, and you can add your socials here. So here's an example of what the branded tracking page actually looks like. So you're able to customize it fully with obviously this tracking graphic. You can add your social posts and you can add an offer in here. So if you want to give them an offer to shop again, you have that chance of grabbing them and getting an extra sale after they've already ordered. And you can also try and get them to come to your social media pages. Let's go ahead and actually deal with orders. Here is your shipping kind of section within Sendcloud, and all of your orders are going to come in this incoming orders section. Here we have a label that I created earlier for this video, and it's not yet been printed, so I'm going to show you guys how that works. So imagine this is an order that's come into your store. We've already got the shipping method set, so it's going to be DPD next day delivery. And we can have a preview of it here. It's now ready to send. We haven't got a label for it yet because that's what we're going to deal with now. We've got the pillowcase, that's what's actually in it. And now we just have to create the label. So when you have a list of multiple orders and labels, you can actually bulk print them, which is really good. Like I said, if you have orders coming in from Amazon, Etsy, Shopify, and you don't want to do everything separately, all you'd have to do is tick this and it will select every single label that needs to be printed, and you can go ahead and just click print labels. Now, if you have a A4 printer or a label printer, you can simply just choose how you want your label to be printed. And then you can go ahead and click print. So now we have a bulk PDF of all of our labels that need printing, which is really cool because imagine if you had like 50 orders, all different shipping carriers like eBay, Etsy, and so on. you'd have it all in the one place. Really, really cool. Here you would also have your shipped items. So it would show the ones that are shipped and in transit, which is really cool too. So you can come in here and track things. That is Sendcloud and how it works. As I mentioned before, definitely check out the link in my description for the £50 free shipping credit and 14-day free trial. So that is another solution for you guys when it comes to shipping. If you enjoyed, please make sure that you comment down below, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more, and I will catch you guys in the next one.